Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to have our rooms, the name tags, the rooms. Wow. So, first thing first, I would like to go see the ground floor. Actually, this is very big. I want to have my first floor to add the rooms to my first floor, not the ground floor. Okay, so this is my first floor. But I would like to don't not have the site and the grids, the sections. So another good idea is to duplicate this view, this first floor. How we can do this? Actually, go to this and hover over it and click right click, and as you can see, there's duplicate view. We have duplicate, which is duplicating this, or we have duplicate with detailing, which will add the duplication with the detail inside this view, and we have duplicate as a dependent. This means that when I duplicate this as a dependent, if I change something from the other view, it will be affected in the other view. For example, if I change it from this view, it will change in the duplicate as a dependent. If I change it from the duplicate as a dependent view, it will change it here. So it will be depending on each other. So I'm going with the normal duplicate. So I click on it, and we have first floor copy 1. It's a good idea to rename it. So I'm clicking on it. I'm going to rename, or F2, and something like this will be selected. So I'll just click on this and delete this and make a dash and say room. Okay, let me see if there's, yeah, let's put space and click anywhere, and as you can see, this has been changed. So now right now we can do anything with this view. So what I want to do is that I want to delete these. You can actually delete these from here, but this is not the practical way, because maybe sometimes we need it again, isn't it? So another way is to go to the visibility graphics, which is VG. Okay, so I'm going to annotation categories for this because it's an annotation. So I will go to the grids. We have grids. Let me uncheck the grid. This is the grid, and let's go to the section. This one is section. I unchecked it and apply, and you can see something like this. Let me go to the model categories. Let me go to the site. Actually, this is the site, but this site is not our site. So I'm going to the Revit links here. So let me see. Yeah, let me uncheck this and apply. And this is how we unchecked it. So let's go to the views. Maybe let's uncheck it. No, not this one. Let me uncheck this. No, it's not unchecking. Why? Let me see the tags. These are the tags. Elevation tags. Yeah. Let me elevations. Yep. This is the elevation. I forgot. Okay. So no worries. Just okay. And we have our floor, first floor, as clean as it is. So how can I add rooms? This is an interesting question. I'll go to the architecture, and I'll go to the room and area panel, and there's a room. So the shortcut for it is RM. So I'll just go with the shortcut RM, and as you can see, I can place something like this here. I'll click on it. Okay, click on it, and this has been placed. So I want to have another room here. Place it, click, and place one here. Click, click, and let's have one here and one here. So where's left? Yeah, maybe this one. So I want to go to the modify or escape a couple of times, or before escaping, you see this one, place on tag placement. if I have this, you can see the tag. If I click on it, this will be just a room without a tag. So we keep in mind we need tag on placement. Okay, something like this. So I'll go with modify MD or go double escape. I escaped it, and now I want to name it. So how can I name it? If I go to this is the selecting it, and click on it, edit parameter. I'll say office 1. Click on empty space, go here, and this time we can uh, go to where? Let's go select this. This time we cannot edit it from here. See, we don't have anything. But actually when I hover on this, you see something like this appears. So click on it. Now you can see uh, number and room. So I'll say office 2. Okay, apply, and this will be applied. Actually the fastest way is this one. This is the lobby, enter, and it will be edited. This one is WC1, or I will hover over here and say WC2. Okay, and I have this one WC3. This is WC4. Okay, and I have the this one is for service, and click on here, and you can see our things. This is, as I said, this is our tag. When I hover over here, click on it, see, this is our place where it says it's lobby. Okay, it says this is our lobby. Okay, so actually I would like to see my lobby tool here, not more, and to have my lobbies going there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to separate my things. How can I do this? Actually, we can go to the room separator, click on it, which is separating the rooms, and you can just go draw something like this. Let's go with this and click and click, and let's go hover over this, and you can see this has been minimized. See, and yeah, this is how we separated the lobby, and this is correct, but I want to have a separation because this is a lobby too. So I don't want to add another room here, but I want this lobby to go from this side too. So what is blocking it? Actually, this is blocking the way of the lobby. We had an opening here, so as you can see, the opening created something like this for us. But what can I do with this one? I will select the wall, and I'll go to the room bounding and click on it, and I say apply. It says it deletes the room, because if I say no room bounding, this lobby will intersect with this service. So this is not the way we want to do. I'll cancel it. And another way is to split our wall. How we can do this? I'll go to the modify and go to the split element, or SL. Okay, so I'm going to split this one, and let me select this, and I'll go to the room bounding, apply. So now when I hover on this, this is going inside this, you see, and it goes here, and this is what we wanted, isn't it? So let's do another thing, which is for RM. I'll press on RM. You can place this one here. Let's go to the vertical. Why I can add this one? Because we have our separation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that this is stairs, something like this, and I can actually drag it like this, and when I hover on it, this is the place of our stair. Okay, So I'll not add for the elevators. This is not what we want. If I click on this, I can see this is the opening, but it created a, it's covered this opening. This is not what I want. So I will go to the architecture and room separator. Actually, this time I will go with the rectangle, and I will just go from this center of the corner of this till the corner of here. Okay, and I'll say good, escape it, and as you can see, this is an opening right now. So this not line is not this room is not covering this. So this is another way. Another way is that when I click on this, I can see that this WC2 is not covering all these. So what I will be doing is that I'll go select these, select with control, and I'll not select this, and I'll say bounding room and check it. So right now when I click on this, you can see this is our WC. See? So when I hover on this, this is our room, and it's covering all the things. And let me say unbounding, and let's click on this and say room bounding unchecked. So right now when I click on this, let me just hover, hover on this, and this is taking the uh, control of this space. You see, this is how we did it, and this is it for today, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.